I am scared of a phone call. Not because of the language, because of what I will sound like. Like every sane person, I don't pick up calls from unknown numbers. What the hell? No, not doing that. Not in the year of the Lord 2026, I'm not. The thing is, I literally have to pick up right now every single call that I get. That means I talk to an ungodly amount of banks trying to sell me a credit card. And I'm there trying to let them know I'm not interested, as polite as possible, because, well, at the other end, they're still a human being just doing their job, even though it's really annoying. Normally, that's not that big of a deal, but I'm in Mexico right now, and I have to use Spanish, which is my third language, and I don't really have the words to do it. And that messes with my head, because I'm a people pleaser, and not finding the right words to end the conversation politely, that's just awful for me. I hate it. Also, the number always changes, so I cannot even save that number I just accepted the call from as like bank credit card scam, because it's a different number every single time. I feel like I'm brought back to the 90s, where you try to call a friend and instead you had to talk to like the dad, the big brother, the mom, the grandma, the neighbor, anybody but your friend. I feel I'm back there again. The reason why I literally have to take every single scam call is that I'm waiting for a package, and I don't want to let that package get sent back. I want to receive it. And we are living in a gated community, so it's not just that the delivery person comes and knocks at the door and I can open. They are at the gate first, and there they have to call me so I can let them in. So there's no way around that. And it's not even that I can't handle Spanish. I have like super nice and warm conversations all the time. People strike up conversations with me, or I do that with them, and it's nice. I can do that. My fear is, despite all of that, that the delivery driver hears me, hears my broken Spanish, and mistakes me for one of these digital nomad expats that don't pay taxes, do not want to learn Spanish, and drive up the rent. And I get that. It's a valid criticism. It just has, in that situation, nothing to do with me, and there's zero evidence that happened. Apart from the whole expat seeing me as somebody that I'm not, taking like a call in from an unknown number, I feel that's something a lot of you can relate with. I think that's something we as a generation really, they're like, no, we don't like that anymore. We text or send voice messages. We don't call anymore because no, just no. So the weird feeling of like, ugh, I have this to take this call and I don't even know who's at the other end. I'm pretty sure you know that weird feeling you get when that's happening. For me, it's not even that I'm incapable of doing that. When I was living in Germany, I had my own coffee shop. I had to call people all the time and receive calls from like a tax attorney, like from the moving company when we decided to move to Mexico, from an embassy, from like really from institutions. And it was way more important than the call I have to do right now. The only thing changed is I cannot really find the right words to put out what I want to say and be as polite as I want to be. So there's the weird thing that I don't want to be perceived as somebody that I'm not. So this is my week right now. really taking every single scam call because I cannot risk losing the actual real call from the delivery driver. It's a coin flip every single time. Will it be the delivery driver? Will it be awkward? Do I find the right words? Is it a scam call? Will I be awkward? So it's awkward all around. And me, 100% of the time, fumbling through the phone call, trying to find the right words in Spanish to end the call as politely as I can, because even sometimes I think it's just AI, but that's just me trying to people please. And that's kind of the state I'm in right now this week. My phone is there and I'm anxiously waiting. It's even on loud, can you imagine? And nothing has happened yet. Package hasn't come, call hasn't happened, and I feel a bit like Pablo Escobar in the meme, with the hands behind his back, just staring into nothingness. That's me right now. I'm still waiting. I will let you know how this goes.